The 11th Mongolian Armed Forces Infantry Unit has been highly commended for their peacekeeping work in South Sudan. To that effect, a formal medal parade was organized at their base in Bantu early August. In South Sudan, they had supported the implementation of the UN mission's mandate under challenging conditions through diverse operations that include protection of civilians at risk of harm.
Your proactive posture has been exemplary, supporting the mission's peace efforts and in strengthening our partnerships. You contributed to the construction of dikes in Bentiu at the height of the floods, and your deployment to the temporary operating base in Abiemom and Mayom helped to show the presence of UNMISS, assured of security and strengthening the engagement with local communities.
Sergeant Kadavanyam is proud that the Mongolian military has made it a priority to deploy more female peacekeepers as their work within the communities they deploy goes an extra mile. Female participation in peacekeeping mission is important. When I go on humanitarian missions, engaging with the females in the community is very easy. That is why I can understand what they need and tell my commander what they need. So far, close to 10,000 Mongolian peacekeepers, including over 900 female personnel, have participated in peacekeeping efforts in South Sudan.